It got a bit wet. Starting to look good. I need to do. My phone decided to run out of storage, so the slow-mo didn't work. Just spoke to Dad, and he does not think it's fixable because of this piece. But we don't quit. Let's give it a go. Oh, I don't think this is the right tool for the job. In fact, it definitely isn't the right tool for the job. Well, it may look shoddy, and it is pretty shoddy. Isn't doing very well. We kind of did that a second ago, and then that piece just came off the bottom there, so I don't know what I did to that screw, I'm not gonna lie. All-purpose adhesive. It says glass, metal, wood. So sort of just blabbered it all on. And to be honest, ChatGPT that drawing. So we've got a little friend helping us out.
The big stuff. Who do you think you are? Mr. Big Stuff. You're never gonna get my love. Now because you wear all those fancy clothes and have a big fine car. Oh, yes you do now. Do you think I can afford to give you my love? You think you're higher than everything all above. The big stuff.
The electric sander's great, except there's only one grain which comes with this size, so and I need another grain. So I'm gonna have to use the sand block. So a bit of manual work.
When they try to keep you happy, they just try to keep you satisfied. It's the big stuff. Tell me.
Okay, almost done all the sanding. Got a few of the sides to cut off here. Got to make that look neat. Finish off the sanding and then onto the varnish if I decide to put varnish on. Just need to cut these end pieces off and then file it down. So, done on my gloves, but this is what we found. Outdoor clear varnish. So let's use this brush and brush her up. Ugh. Now to let her dry. Okay, moment of truth. Yo, takes my weight.
Cause when I give my love, I want love in return. Now I know this is a lesson, Mr. Big Stuff. You haven't learned. Mr. Big Stuff, tell me, who do you think you are, Mr. Big Stuff?
Okay, so on to the last bit is the plaque, and apparently ketchup can clean up brass, so according to AI. So let's get a load of that stuff on there. Nice. We'll give her a little smear around with the finger. Yes, this felt a bit weird to do it first, but I actually quite liked it. So yeah, give it a go. And we've got Rubes watching. She probably wants a bit. Don't worry, I didn't give her any. I don't know if you're allowed to give dogs ketchup, to be honest. And what did we do next? Oh yeah, we gave her a little brush. The reason it's brown is because I put some vinegar on as well. But yeah, we give her a little brush up. She's already starting to look clean. And then a little wipe. Ooh, very nice, very nice. And oh, that was an interesting little graphic I put on there. And then putting Mum's nice olive oil on, her expensive one. Probably shouldn't have done that, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. Apparently olive oil preserves it, so hey, there we go. And I've got this in the wrong order, but now watching this back, but you know what, we'll wash her off. Yeah. Final job to get this plaque drilled on.
The big stuff. Who do you think you are, Mr. Big Stuff? You're never gonna get my love.